Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning, all.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, good morning, all of you. Can you hear me? Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Okay. So, today just a quick review of all the chapters. Quick review of the lessons. The short summary is given. Lencho's unshakable faith in God and the postmaster's faith in humanity. So, what is the chapter letter to God about? It is about Lencho's unshakable faith in God and the postmaster's faith in humanity. Lencho writes a letter to God to help him and send him 100 pesos because Lencho's crops were destroyed due to the hailstorm and he was in a critical situation. In this critical situation, he remembers God and writes a letter to God. The postmaster and other employees, uh, laugh at Lencho's letter to God. But then the postmaster, yes, good morning. Then the postmaster decides to help Lencho in his problem. And he tells every employee to help in this noble deed and manages to collect 70 pesos. 70 pesos, but and manages to collect 70 pesos. Upset after getting 70 pesos. So Lencho is not aware that the postmaster has sent him the money. He thinks God has sent him the money. And he calls the postmaster and the post office employees bunch of crooks, क्योंकि लेंचो को लगा कि भगवान ने 100 pesos भेजे और ये post office employees have stolen his 30 pesos. So then the second chapter, it is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. This chapter is an extract from Long Walk to Freedom, the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom is from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, the former South African president. It includes the description of the inauguration ceremony and citations from his speech and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. And this lesson gives us an overview of the struggles of Mandela for making the society with no discrimination on the basis of color, caste, race, age, or gender. So this chapter is basically about Nelson Mandela's fight for freedom against the apartheid system that existed in Africa, in South Africa. So basically the chapter, okay, letters का revision मैं कल करवा दूंगी, all the. Tomorrow we will revise all the letters. Today I have downloaded this PDF. So tomorrow revision of all the letters we can do. So then the third chapter, 2 stories about flying. 2 stories about flying. The author of part 1 titled His First Flight is Liam O'Harty, the author of so in 2 stories about flying, there are 2 different chapters. One is about the seagull who is scared to fly. So in this chapter, the writer gives the message that you should have self-confidence. Only if you have self-confidence, then only you can be successful. You should be confident of your abilities. And you should get over your fear. So the author gives the message to be fearless and have self-confidence. And then the second, not getting nervous even in critical situation. Like the pilot of the black aeroplane. The pilot of the black aeroplane, he was faced with a very critical situation when the engine stopped working, when he did not have any contact with the outside world, but still he managed to come out of the critical situation because he kept a cool mind and he had faith in God and he was very optimistic. So the writer gives us the message that we should be very optimistic. Optimistic means hopeful, ashavadi. We should be very hopeful, very optimistic, and we should always think of the best. Let's see some. ग्रामर देखते हैं. This is आई है, उधर है धूप में. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice. Sit down. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her, but she was annoyed by his attention. There is nobody here who is a child, she said haughtily. I've paid my 30 paise like everyone else. How did Valli feel when the elderly man expressed concern that she was standing? Rather shocked, fairly displeased, somewhat happy, quite embarrassed. Hello? Screen is visible to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 options are given. Now this elderly man is telling Valli to sit down. What is Valli's reaction? Shocked, displeased, happy, embarrassed.
Ma'am, C.
C, fairly displeased.
See,
Valli को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा जब उसको when the elderly man told her to sit down, she was not at all happy. So because she had come for enjoying her freedom, यहाँ भी कोई उसको टोके वो उसको पसंद नहीं. Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true. Which of the statements are not true? Valli was traveling without a guardian. This is true. The conductor was bullying Valli. So this is not true. He was just making fun of her. Bullying to nahi kar raha tha. Valli was nervous in her interactions. This is also not true. Valli was nervous in her interactions. False. Valli was a child passenger. True. Valli followed the elderly man's advice. Not true. Valli's response to the elderly man was respectful. Valli ने कैसे ये किया?
Ma'am, false.
It was an elderly man being come, but she was annoyed by his attention. There is nobody here who is a child, she said haughtily. See Valli's reaction. She said haughtily, angrily, proudly. So you cannot say that she was respectful. So respectful, Valli's response to the elderly man was respectful. This is also not true. She answered back haughtily. It took Valli some time to participate in the jocular conversations. कौन से statements हैं जो false हैं? 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, 2, 3, 6.
2, 3, नहीं 4 तो सही है. 4 तो सही है. Valli
Ma'am,
was
2,
a
3,
child.
6.
हाँ, 2, 3,
2,
6.
3, 6.
Yes, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Okay. ये facts or opinions. Pick the option that correctly classifies facts and opinions. I think the conductor shouldn't have allowed Valli to board. I feel that Valli was being irresponsible. Let's not forget that Valli was a paying passenger like others. Oh, come on, she was just out for an adventure, wasn't she? So see, this is a new kind of question where you have to find out which are the facts and which are opinions. Fact मतलब जो true चीज है, opinion मतलब अपना viewpoint. So facts and opinions. So facts or opinions? Which one? I think the conductor shouldn't have allowed Valli to board. ये तो किसी का ओपिनियन है, अपना वो व्यू पॉइंट दे रहा है कि कंडक्टर को नहीं बैठाना चाहिए. ये कोई स्टोरी में दिया हुआ नहीं है. The man is expressing his own opinion. I feel that Wali was being irresponsible. Now, this is also opinion. Let's not forget that Wali was a paying passenger like others. This is a fact. We know this. We know this because in the story, it is mentioned that Wali has paid the money. Oh, come on. She was just out for an adventure, wasn't she? So this is also opinion that वो बस एक adventure के लिए गई थी. So D option is right. Third one is the fact. She was a paying passenger. It is mentioned in the story that she gave her fare. She returned by the bus, then also she paid the fare. She went to the town, then also twice she paid the conductor. So D is the correct option. Third is fact, and 1, 2, 4 are opinions. So this fact opinion question you are going to get. So you have to be careful. And which word does chime in not correspond to? Not correspond to मतलब जिसका meaning नहीं है. Intervened, intersected, interrupted, interjected. Chime means spoke. Chimed, spoke. So intersected. Intersect means something else, meeting point. So intervened also बीच में बोलना, interrupted, interjected. So all the three means to speak something in between. Only intersected does not mean to speak. So C is the correct option. Choose the characteristic displayed by the conductor when he addresses. Choose the characteristic displayed by the conductor when he addresses Wali and declared that she couldn't be a mere girl. Choose the characteristic displayed by the conductor. What is the characteristic? Encouragement, embarrassment, indulgence, authority. Authority.
Ma'am B. Ma'am
Ma'am,
B
A.
option.
Indulge. कौन सा?
A.
Ma'am B.
ए तो नहीं है, एनकरेज तो नहीं कर रहा, एम्बैरेसमेंट और इंडल्जेंस यू कैन से ही इज इंडल्जिंग इन हर, किसी में इंटरेस्ट लेना, इंडल्ज करना, इंडल्जिंग. ओके, देन the positive thing is that you are having choice. ये जो 5 मार्क्स का एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है उसमें भी आपका चॉइस है, बीच में और है. So this is the good thing. The baker or bread seller of those days had a peculiar dress known as kabai. It was a single piece long frock reaching down to the knees. In our childhood, we saw bakers wearing shirt and trousers, which were shorter than full length ones and longer than half pants. So the baker had a very strange kind of dress, a knee length frock kind of a dress, knee length frock. It was called the kabai. बाद में जो है वो ड्रेस उनका चेंज हुआ. Later on, bakers started wearing shirts and trousers, but trousers also they were quarter full length ones, larger than half pants. Even today, anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knees invites the comment that he is dressed like a pader. Pader is the name given to baker. अब ये है choose the answer that lists the correct option of about the recording of the baker's monthly accounts. Baker जो है अपना monthly account किस पे लिखते थे? पेपर पे लिखते थे, हाथ पे लिखते थे, वॉल पे लिखते थे, या ऐसे ही सोचते थे, दिमाग में सोच के रखते थे, याद
सी
करके
वॉल
रखते
पर मैम
मैम
वॉल
वॉल
पर
पे सी
वॉल पे लिखते थे। तो सी जो है, सी इज द थर्ड वन, इज द ऑप्शन 3, सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So bakers used to maintain the records on the walls. So wall. So you have to read all the chapters very thoroughly. So then question in lieu of 3B for visually impaired. ये visually impaired के लिए है. In lieu मतलब instead of. तो ये देखने का जरूर. When the writer says baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days, he means that. When the writer says baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days, he means that baking isn't as popular in Goa currently. Bakers have chosen to adopt other professions. Baking as a job isn't as gainful as it used to be. Bakers' goods were of better quality in earlier times. D तो नहीं ही होगा. Bakers have chosen to adopt.
मैम
Which
बी.
one?
Banking as a job isn't as gainful as it used to be.
A, baking isn't as popular in Goa currently. क्योंकि old days वो लिख रहा है. Baking was indeed. कि baking as a job isn't as gainful as it used to be. नहीं, C होगा. Profitable. Baking was indeed a profitable profession. Here he is talking about the profit. In this line, the writer is talking about the profit. Baking as a job isn't as gainful as it used to be. Because here the writer is talking about the profit. So he is saying कि old days में बहुत profit होता था. What does he mean? He means that nowadays it is not as gainful. So C option. The statement that is true about the payment collection according to the passages. The baker received payment on a daily basis. The baker was paid for his services at the end of the month. The baker insisted that the customers pay before the month end. The baker chose to receive payment any day of the month.
B, the baker was paid for his services at the end of the Ma'am B.
हाँ, B है at the end of the month. At the end of the month, पूरे month का हिसाब जो है वो दीवार पे रहता था और end of the month वो payment मिलता था. At the end of the month. So option B is correct. At the end of the month. So then number 4, the kabai was a peculiar outfit as it was a tight-fitting apparel, too colorful, made of unsuitable materials, a dress-like attire.
I'm option D.
Kabai is not tight-fitting. कहीं मेंशन नहीं है कि कवाई टाइट फिटिंग है. फिर कलरफुल है, ये भी कहीं मेंशन नहीं है. मेड ऑफ अनसूटेबल मटेरियल्स का भी नहीं मेंशन है स्टोरी में. देन अ ड्रेस लाइक अटायर, इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रेस. सो व्हाई इट वाज स्ट्रेंज? बिकॉज इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रेस लाइक अटायर. The extract uses the phrase invites the comments. Which of the following expressions is incorrect? with respect to the word invite. मीन एक्सट्रैक्ट में क्या है, एक्सट्रैक्ट में है कि even today anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knee invites the comment that he is dressed. तो contextual meaning, you understand contextual meaning? इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इनवाइट का मीनिंग क्या है, इस लाइन में इनवाइट का मीनिंग क्या एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है? Even today, anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knees invites the comments that he is dressed like a padir. Invites. What is the meaning of invite? In which context it is used? कहाँ चला गया? ये था ना, सब पेज आ गया. This is all the passage. So that page where it has can you see the screen? From which chapter is this question? This from which chapter is are these lines taken from?
The thief.
Yes, the thief. So here there is a misprint. ये अनिल नाम था ना उसका, इसमें सुनील दिया हुआ है. It is a misprint. How would Sunil feel after the robbery? Greed, anger, sadness, fear.
sadness,
After the robbery, चुराने के बाद कैसा लगा? Greed, anger,
feeling of
sadness,
sadness,
fear.
B.
Huh?
B.
B, sadness. He was very sad because after stealing, realized that now he would not get a chance to read and write. At least ये नहीं sadness. अच्छा सुनील, अनिल. So Anil's feeling, जिसके घर में चोरी हुई है वो कैसा फील करेगा? Yes. So if when Anil would come to know of the thief of the robbery in his house, how would he feel? So sadness. Yes, because Anil was a very innocent hearted person.
मैम मैम एक क्वेश्चन है मैम, इसका आंसर क्या होगा मैम? Which of the following statement is not true?
इसका आंसर B है.
No मैम, 100 dresses
feeling of sadness.
मैम 100 dresses का एक क्वेश्चन है.
Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true. Writer's clothes were stuck due to rain. Writer's clothes were stuck due to rain. It is true when he was, he missed the train after that. He missed the train after that, it started raining. He missed the train after that, it started raining. Then writer found himself standing alone on the platform. This is also true. Friends are a trouble than being friend indeed. Friends are trouble. For Hari Singh, friends were a trouble. Hari Singh says कि उसके कोई दोस्त नहीं थे क्योंकि for him friends were a trouble because he was a thief. For him, friends were a trouble. The police could reach him through his friends. So this is true. The rich man showed after theft. It was the month of July. It was the month of July. The poor man showed acceptance after theft. The greedy man showed anger. So, कौन से दो false statements हैं? Which two statements are false?
C, 5 and 7.
3, 4 friends are trouble. The rich showed after theft. Five and 7, I think. Which month mentioned in the story? Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
5 and 7. So see, formal letter का क्या format होना चाहिए? See the format. Sender's address at the top, date. Date, as I told you, you should write the name of the month. Then receiver's address, whatever is mentioned in the question paper is subject, salutation, complimentary close. ये जो subject और sir है वो उसमें flexibility हो सकती है. Subject के बाद sir लिख सकते हो, sir के बाद भी subject लिख सकते हो. Is it clear? So flexibility is there. Either you write sir first and then the subject, or you write the subject first and then write sir. Both format is correct. Then the complimentary close, yours faithfully. So see the format. सबसे पहले एड्रेस जो भी मेंशन है क्वेश्चन पेपर में 25 सत्यानगर कॉलोनी भुवनेश्वर उड़ीसा. After that some space is there, you can leave one line, then you write the date. See how the date is written. You have to write the name of the month, October. You cannot write 1410. You have to write the month in words. Then SHO Satyanagar Police Station Bhubaneswar. So this is the format of the complaint letter. Subject concern over flouting of quarantine rules. This is a letter which is written against people who are disobeying. Flouting मतलब क्या? Disobey करना. This is a complaint letter written against the public who are not following the corona quarantine rules. So complaint letter, for all the formal letters, this is only the format. Your address on the top, leave one line, then the date, again leave one line, then the name of the person, name नहीं, post of the person to whom you are writing. यहाँ जो है SHO को letter लिखा जा रहा है. Maybe you write the letter to the commissioner of police, to the mayor. तो जो भी अथॉरिटी को हम लेटर लिखते हैं उस अथॉरिटी का पोस्ट, यहाँ SHO सत्यानगर पुलिस स्टेशन, then station Bhubaneswar Orissa, then subject, then sir. This is to draw your attention to the constant flouting of quarantine norms by the residents, despite the repeated requests by the RWA and the reminders. Residents are showing a complete disregard for the rules. So body of the letter, thanking you, yours sincerely. You can write sincerely or faithfully, both is correct. Then letter to Book Haven store requesting home delivery of ordered books. So how to write a letter for placing order? See, same